Grand Rising, Grand Rising. This is one of four 55-gallon fish grow out tanks. This is where all my juvenile fish are start when they're a small size. These are bluegill in here before they go into the 100-gallon big DIY solar power aquaponics systems. I start them off in here. And then these are bluegill, baby bluegill. No, they're not babies anymore, they're juvenile now. There's probably about 30 of them in there. And these have been in this tank for a few months, so I'm going to go ahead and feed them. And they start off in here. And these will be transferred to aquaponics system number 2. High tunnel number 2. I'm going to start setting that one up, and all these guys will go in that tank. As you can see, they're getting bigger. Ain't they beautiful? They already killed that food. I gotta put some more flake food in there. These guys are too small to eat the pellets yet, so they're about ½ an inch now. There's a small bioreactor filter I made out of a recycled 1-gallon water bottle with a air stone in it. Works perfectly. All the filtration I need in here. Ran off solar. This is hooked to it's hooked to the air pump that powers the big farm. So all off grid.